Here is today, we are going to cover the Hyperledger Fabric BYFN network explained. So if you know about blockchain and Hyperledger, so if you download the Git repository, they have a scripts. So if you run the scripts, it download the Docker images and it does everything on the script has been defined, right? And do transactions the two organizations. Then later you have EYFN script, and it will third organization will try to join to the existing network. So that the script has it. So, but if you are good enough, probably you can go through the existing script, so you can understand what it was. Right. So far, I'm creating this video for basically to understand how the script was working and how we can do manually, so that you can customize according to your own. So this is my agenda that I want to show it up to the people, right? So what we're going to do is we are going to have a fresh install of Ubuntu machine as a VM, and we do all the prerequisites for HLF Fabric. We download the images, we install the node, Docker images, tools, everything we do. That's where we do now. Then we do again, it's part of a Git repo. We clone the Git repos, right? We download, as I told, we download Docker images, right? So then once we are all done setup, so we have to start the scripts, which I can show you that in my Git repo. So we explain with the each script how it works and how it is going to do, right? The latter part of the two organizations, that is the BYFN, what's the basic transaction is going to be happen. So if you would like to have a visualize in the UI graphical way, then we will install the Explorer, right? Hyperledger Explorer, so you can look at the better UI for that, right? And later that we try to install a third-party smart contract, this loyalty program, right? So and we do a transactions, right? So that's where we come to end of this course. Okay, thank you. Let's go back to my Git repo. So if I go to this Git repo, so Fabric examples explained. So that's here I have all the scripts in this part. Okay, I have created Docker files, everything, and I have explained this. So this is my graphical image. We have two organizations with channel 1 where it's going to communicate by orderer, right? So the latter part, we have a third peer, the third organization going to join the existing network with the two channels. So one channel is going to be a part of all three organizations, and other channel is going to be part of two organizations. Still the order is same, so that's where it's going to work, right? That's but the overall course of this program, right? I'm using 4.3. and you can, it's almost from the Fabric samples, and if not covered, so we have download script and I have prerequisite scripts. So download scripts, that's a download, it will download everything, right? And you have prerequisite scripts, so it install basically set the environment, path, profiles, and download all the Docker images, node, everything, and will show up this one, right? So as of now, you have the installation completed. The fresh Ubuntu machines. I followed this script. I followed the prerequisite scripts after login. So it takes all the informations and it installs everything. Node 6.4 Docker images, Python 2.7. So everything is there. So I have to log out and log in back again to have a better effect. So instead of that, I am going to have this because we need this session later part. So I have completely environment set now.